Rua da Barca, 都是盖 beautiful buildings of Rua da Barca. Ooh, streets of Macau, Rua da Barca. Up and around Rua da Barca, going down Rua da Barca. Yeah, 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 yeah. Going down Rua da Barca, going down, down, down. Going down Rua da Barca, down, 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 down Rua da Barca. Just going down Rua da Barca.
Okay, the street right here says Rua da Barca, so we're gonna be walking down this pretty beautiful street. The timing of the day is about perfect. We're gonna put it up on the map in a moment, and then to give you some context of where we are exactly. That is Rua da Pedra. It kind of goes towards this Patane village area, and then we also have kind of a nice little shrine right over here as well, right in that little space. So stay tuned. We're gonna put it up on the map so you know exactly where we are, and then we're gonna walk down Rua da Barca. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so Rua da Barca. So we're going to be walking down this way. We stop. There's like a crosswalk. Everybody has to stop for the crosswalk, especially if there's kids. Okay, so let's walk down our target street. So we're in this Macau area. Barca is a little bit of a fast-moving street for cars. I just want to kind of capture the feeling of the street. We're gonna walk all the way down it. And this side of the street we have some shade. Oops, sorry. Sorry. There we go. So we can capture, you can also see the sunlight too. So the sunlight's kind of putting some really beautiful colors on the gates. So all of those kind of bars, cages, you know, some of them are painted different colors. So you can see like greens and yellows. And right now it's really capturing these. This one right here is one of the very few Russian restaurants in the whole city. So you have, yeah, a Russian restaurant right there. I just want to kind of give you an idea. So you got salmon, shellfish, steak. Okay. It's a little bit bright on this side. Sue's Kitchen, this is also quite well known. Sue's Kitchen is all over the city. It's like a chain. It's open late at night too. So I want to get to the other side because the sun is so bright. Check out this house right here. So that house is kind of sandwiched between these kind of apartments, so somebody was able to keep that. Looks like they did a storefront, but it looks like it's a little bit abandoned because you can see you got the railing, but then it's like hasn't been upkept. I think sometimes they sit, I think sometimes people own those and they'll just keep it. There's some basketball right there. That right there is Criminal Hospital, right? That building. So that's the largest hospital in the whole city is Kenwu. It's up on the hill in relation to where we're at now. Some other little interesting stuff. There's like a little bit of a basketball stuff right there, and you can see the basketball right in that space. So yeah, there's basketball, and there's even like some basketball storage stuff. So I think that this storage stuff, all these tables and chairs, probably are connected to that. I would walk into that, but I want to stay faithful to our street, so we're just going to keep on walking down to the street. Huh. It's like a little bit of an arcade thing. That's such a different style. Something that says Macau, Veggie Macau. Oh, okay. Got it like Indonesian, Korean, vegan, Bolognese, got Italian. So that vegan one has, veggie one has a kind of a big mix, but it looks like it might be closed. Some shoes with a little robot there. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. And this hua kind of bends a little bit, so we're gonna capture that in a moment. So we kind of have the four-way stop in here. So you're walking down that way. That's our Rua da Barca. That's kind of a that's the street we just came up. This one is a one-way street coming down from the hospital. So Kyungmu is at the top of the base of the hill. There's a one-way street that moves traffic down this way. We're going to, I think I'm supposed to go down the crosswalk down that way. It's probably a little bit dangerous to cross right here. Look at all this traffic coming down this way. But if I get a chance, I'm gonna go down, so I will. I shouldn't have done that, but check out these apartments right there. So we're gonna keep on going down that way. It's really photogenic. Really photogenic. And we came down that way. I'll just kind of give you some four-corner action here. So we're definitely in kind of a busier area of Macau. Rua da Barca. See the context of what this part of Macau looks like as well. Tourists don't really come here. This is more where all the locals live. So if you want to get some context of that, this would be a good street for it. Little interesting alleys that go all the way down. Pretty sure I filmed those alleys. Been trying to make an effort to film all the different streets, and some streets I maybe filmed a long time ago, but I didn't film them very good. This one I filmed not too long ago. This little one, so Chong Loi. Then you also have these little perpetuity. I filmed a bunch of these little alleys recently, and when I was filming them, I was kind of thinking about how beautiful the Barca streets are. There's a Travessa da Barca and a Rua da Barca, and when you catch them, the lighting is just right. They look really nice. The lights haven't fully came on right now, so I think you're kind of seeing it a little bit. Down these ways are, let me see if I can, we'll just follow this. I think Travessa da Barca is down this way. It's a little bit of a temple right there. So you kind of got this big mix of different stuff everywhere in here. Then you got some Captain America references right there. Straight down that way is a marketplace. So you'll see a lot of people. There's our Barca. There's a market down that way. Little lemon iced tea shop there. Yeah, I think this area right in here, I kind of like it because there's a lot of foot traffic in this area. And then what I particularly like is these buildings right here. So that one and this green one. So I really, really like this green one up here. I'm on the corner. I think that one's like one of the most beautiful buildings around. Yeah, look how photogenic that is. So yeah, you got that little corner stuff right there. So yeah, that's Rua da Barca. Let me just see here. Up there is Kyungwoo Hospital. Our street continues down that way. Let me just see if I can walk. That's going to capture. So from this side you can kind of see it still, right? But then from that one side it was really, really beautiful. That's amazing. Okay. So we're going to keep on going down Barca. But yeah, that building I think is one of the highlights. That little corner on Barca. So I always kind of stuck in my mind as something that's so photogenic. Okay. So Barca is going to come up to an end soon. And then we also have these little lanes like that. And then I guess this is the other side of that same building, so you could see that around the corner too. We're going to keep on going down. Here's another interesting building right here in the yellow. So you got this beautiful balcony that goes all the way around, so I always like that one as well. That balcony. We're going to keep on going down. And this street's going to end pretty soon. I just want to walk all the way down to the end just so we have a full record of the whole street from end to end. Because sometimes when the streets are a little bit longer, I don't always go all the way down them in the past. So I just give a taste and then try to go another time and give another taste. But today I want to try to catch some of these from end to end. Check that out up the top. And then up here a little bit, we're going to catch a park. So we're still on our Barca Street. There's Rua da Barca right there. Got a coffee shop right there. And I think a lot of times when I film Barca, I think I usually film in this area. Sometimes I'll capture this park is on like 3 different ways. So I'll catch it in different capacities. And I think our street ends up by the 7-Eleven. So that's basically the Barca Street. And we'll just continue all the way down. And this is another one that I've always liked too. All those balconies right there. Oh, okay, yeah, this changes to a different street. So this street goes, but the Barca. So let me just go down slightly. It's going to come to an ending in a moment. You can see all these balconies right here. I just want to capture. Can't really capture unless I go all the way back, but the street is so long already that I'm just going to come back here. And we'll come to an ending for our street. So that's Rua da Barca. She looks even better on going this way. Okay, so we're gonna end our video, and this is another slice of Macau. Barca, with a beautiful green building right in the kind of a nice highlight. So I'm going to end this one right here with the park.